You will need the SoClean CPAP adapter for the DreamStation Go. Disconnect your CPAP hose from your Philips Respironics DreamStation Go. Detach the injection fitting and short hose from the main SoClean hose. You will no longer need the injection fitting and short hose. Save these parts in case you need them in the future. Included in the adapter package are 3 small rubber gaskets. Please disregard the gaskets. You will not need them for the DreamStation Go CPAP machine. Attach the SoClean adapter to your CPAP hose. Connect the main SoClean hose to the stem on the adapter. You are now ready to use your SoClean. Once the sanitizing cycle is complete and you are ready to use your CPAP machine, please remove the adapter from your CPAP hose and reconnect the CPAP hose to your DreamStation Go CPAP machine.